So this is going to be the tutorial that's going to show you how to make the double crochet foundation stitch. I was doing a tutorial for another project and I realized that I had a single crochet foundation tutorial, but I didn't have a double crochet foundation tutorial. So I wanted to film one for you really quick. So how to do it is you want to start by chaining 3. And once you have your 3 chains, you want to go into this very first chain. But first you want to yarn over with a double crochet. So you want to yarn over, go into that first chain you made, and you want to pull up a loop. Now, with all these foundation stitches, you're always going to have to make the chain first. So you'll yarn over and only pull through 1 loop. And this creates the chain. And also this is the stitch that you'll be using to make your next double crochet foundation stitch. So now you have your 3 loops on your hook, so you just double crochet that as normal. Again, now this chain space that we created first, you're going to want to use it. So you'll yarn over, go into that chain stitch at the bottom, then you yarn over and only pull through 1 to create the chain, and then you just double crochet as normal. Again, you always want to yarn over, and then now you'll go into the next chain space, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. If you have difficulty, you can hold it like I am here, so that way you know that this stitch at the bottom of this double crochet, because if you turn it this way you can see it's a double crochet, and you just know that this bottom is the chain, and you can double crochet, put your loop through that, pull through, I'll get a little yarn here, pull through that loop, and then you will do a chain, and then you will do a double crochet. And if you hold your finger there, then now you know that this is the stitch. So yarn over, put it through that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 to make your double crochet. And I'll show you again. And again, if you get lost, you can turn it like this. You may recognize it a little bit better that way. So if you're not sure which stitch you need to go in, turn it like this, and then you can see that this stitch will just kind of pop out like that. And you know that that's the stitch that you need to go into. Once you have it, pull a loop through it, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain, then you pull over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And that is how you do the double crochet foundation stitch. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like and share this video. It helps me out so much. Also, feel free to check out my other beginning tutorials that show you how to do the single crochet foundation stitch plus all the basic stitches. So if you know somebody that's learning how to crochet or may need some touch-ups on how to do front post, back post, things like that, then feel free to go check out my videos on that. Thank you so much for watching.